photo.
Hi, my name is Tendai Manundu. I am the editor of the Midlands Monitor newspaper, which is in Gweru. I attended a two-day workshop which was hosted by the Voluntary Media Council of Zimbabwe and the Digital Society of Zimbabwe. There are lots of things that I learned throughout the training. I learned how to protect my sources. I also learned how to protect myself as an editor in the newsroom, and also how to protect some of the information that we are given in confidence by our sources. And I also learned how to protect the journalists, the reporters themselves. I recommend that the VMCZ continues to focus on such capacity building workshops like this. And also I recommend that the VMCZ works on some gender workshops so that we as women in the media fraternity, we become equipped.